If you are studying 12 hours a day but still feeling behind, you don't have a time problem, you have a structure problem. Students keep on telling me, sir, I'm watching lectures whole day but nothing is retained. Or I'm doing self study but lectures are pending. Somehow I'm feeling guilty. Let me tell you something honestly. 12 hours daily is more than enough to clear CA or CMA examinations, provided you divide the 12 hours properly between watching lectures and preparation. And today I'll share you practical 12-hour formula that balances both watching lectures and preparation without any backlog. I classified students into two categories: students with extreme lecture addicts, students who are overconfident with self study. Extreme lecture addicts, they watch 8 to 9 hours daily basis, they feel productive, they will not revise on daily basis, and they don't solve questions properly. They understood everything, but in exam hall, blank. Say for example, you take costing. When you are watching the lectures, you feel everything is perfect. Without practice, if you attempt a test, I'm telling you, you will remember formula and you know the problem. You don't know which formula for which problem. Are you getting my point? So revision is compulsory. Next one, self-studier. They skip lectures, they skip concepts, directly they jump into questions. Initially, they may find one or two mistakes, but you know what? Since they lack conceptual clarity, in examination hall, they will commit small mistakes, silly mistakes, and with lower confidence, you know, they will not achieve success in the examination. See, both the strategies are wrong. Both strategies are wrong. Extreme lecture addicts wrong. Overconfident self-studier is also wrong. You need a balance between both conceptual clarity and preparation. Both are required. See, watching lectures is an input, preparation is an output. Examination requires output. Clear? And let me share you the golden rule, how to divide this 12 hours, between watching lectures and preparation. See, I'm dividing this 12 hours into two parts: 8 hours watching lectures, 4 hours preparation and revision. And again, I'm dividing this 12 hours into 4 slots. Each slot is for 3 hours only. Each slot is for 3 hours only. So morning when you wake up, morning at 7 o'clock you start watching the lectures. 7 to 7 is a good time for watching lectures. It's a good time for watching lectures. Okay, morning 7 to evening 7. Okay, so morning session, complete these 2 slots. 2 hours you watch lectures, immediately 1 hour you do preparation and revision. Initially you will find less topics, so you can increase watching lectures and you can make it half an hour for preparation and revision. But slowly 50% of completion of syllabus, or 75% of syllabus, you increase your preparation time and reduce lectures. Are you clear? But initially, yes, 2 hours lectures, 1 hour preparation. The moment you complete one lecture, maybe problematic paper, you take some 2 to 3 problems are completed. Immediately if you do preparation, within a short span of time you can complete preparation of the topics. If you make any delay, say for example last week you watched one lecture, say for example amalgamation or consolidation. This week if you open book, if you do preparation, you will take more time to recollect the concepts. So that's why the moment you finish lectures, immediately do preparation. After completion of one slot, take 30 minutes break. And second slot, watch 2 hours lectures and 1 hour preparation. Now take 1 hour break for lunch and take a small sleep also. And slot 3, again 2 hours watching lectures, 1 hour preparation and revision. Slot 4, watching 2 hours lectures and 1 hour preparation and revision. If you do like this, total hours required each day is 14 hours. Including breaks 14 hours. You are having 24 hours, right? So 24 minus 14, you will have 10 hours for your personal space. Clear, everyone? And most important precaution you have to take while watching lectures is you have to maintain running notes. Running notes is compulsory. Why? Because when you do revision, if you go through the running notes, you feel that once again faculty is coming in front of you, once again faculty is doing revision, like that you will feel. So don't simply watch the lectures, maintain a running notes. Is it clear? And again, I'm telling you, initially you can increase watching lectures duration from 2 to 2.5 hours. And slowly, when concepts are getting completed, you can reduce it to 2. Sometimes you can reduce it to 1.5. You can increase your preparation and revision. On the day of watching lectures, if you do preparation and revision, you will take less time and you can retain the concepts for longest duration. Clear? Next one. Sir, why students feel tired after 12 hours of preparation and revision? So for this, a simple answer. For this, a simple answer. If you have clarity on your preparation, if you are able to measure your progress, you feel motivated. You will not feel tired. You will not feel stressed. You feel motivated. If there is no measurable progress, if there is no clarity on your preparation, you feel tired. Are you all getting my point, students? Everyone. Finally, I can tell you 12-hour structured preparation is more powerful than 14 to 18 hours of random study. Clear? Do this consistently for the next 30 days. You feel everything is within your control. If everything is within your control, achieving success, achieving rank is possible in the upcoming examinations. Clear? Sima, a small calculation. If you are implementing this for the next 50 days, 50 into 8 means you will complete 400 hours of lectures. 50 into 4 means you have completed 200 hours of preparation and revision. What else is required more than this? If you are writing a single group, you can score better marks with this strategy. If you are writing both groups, try to increase one more slot. Try to increase one more slot. Clear? That's it. We'll meet once again in the next video.